Teachers, today I'm going to show you 7 ways you can use Canva AI to create classroom resources more quickly. Cognitive load theory tells us working memory is limited. So when you spend hours creating worksheets and questions, that is cognitive load, taking energy from what actually matters, your teaching and your students. But first, here is why it matters. Studies show teachers spend hours creating resources. Many work more than 50 hours a week. Weekends are spent planning, making worksheets, and writing questions. Only a fraction of those hours is spent teaching, the rest in planning, resource creation, and admin work. So, the overarching goal of cognitive learning theory is to lessen the amount of load by changing the way instructions are presented when learning occurs. So, presenting learning resources in different forms helps. Canva AI is one of the tools that can reduce that workload. This means more energy for the classroom, not more busy work. By the end of this video, you will be able to create questions from a PDF, improve screenshots, review student work, create reading activities from videos, create math activities, create a lesson presentation, and differentiate learning tasks. First, you can use Canva to turn a PDF into a classroom activity. For discussion purposes, I'm going to use a short information text. I can upload the PDF and ask Canva AI to create questions in an answer key. I have uploaded the PDF, given it a set of instructions, and now I'll click on submit. So now what will happen is Canva AI will analyze information and organize the activity for me. You can also adjust the year level, the number of questions, and the difficulty level as well. So here are the 3 different forms. So one is a comprehension set questions, the other one is a think and pair, and one is vocab. I can go ahead and click on any of these and then click on generate. The worksheets have been generated. So this is the comprehension question set that I had asked for, and it comes with an answer key as well. And the other one was think, pair, and share activity for higher order thinking. So when I click on that, here are the set of questions with key terms, a quick reading activity, and think, pair, and share template with some extension tasks. This could be a screenshot from a website, an online map, a science diagram, or software demonstration. You can ask Canva AI to remove the distractions, improve the appearance, or highlight the parts students need to focus on. This is useful when you want to create a worksheet or presentation slide from an existing image. This is my screenshot, and now I will copy my prompt. I will go to Canva, put in my prompt, upload my screenshot, choose student activities, choose the year level, subject could be English, and then click on lesson purpose. So the purpose would be to apply knowledge, and then you click on submit. These are the activities that have been generated, so I'll click on this one and click on generate. So Canva has turned this screenshot over here into this format, and now you can go ahead and edit this as well. You can click into this box over here and change the font size. You can insert tables, text, you can draw lines, and you can also go ahead and insert images as well. Another useful option is creating an activity from a video. Your Canva account allows you to insert a video link. You can add the link and ask Canva AI to create a reading activity. If the import link is not available, use a video transcript instead. Remember to check the questions match what was actually explained in the video. So I'll go ahead. This is the video that I'm trying to use. And then I'll go ahead and copy my prompt, copy the link, and put in the transcript. So I'm asking it to create some discussion questions on the video. I can go ahead and click on classroom resources, choose my year level, subject, and then click on submit. So I'll go ahead and choose the activity and click on generate. This was the worksheet that was generated. So based on the video, I've got my definitions, a reading activity, set of questions, set of discussion questions, and answer key as well. Next up is creating a lesson presentation. So copy the prompt from here, which is to create a lesson presentation for grade 9 based on a certain topic, include any objective, what sort of activities you require, and then insert your lesson objectives as well. So I'll go ahead and copy my prompt and my lesson objectives. I've inserted my prompt and my lesson objectives, and I'll go ahead and choose my year level and subject as well, and then I'll click on apply and then click submit. Three options, so I'll choose my option and click on generate. Here is the diagram. The process is explained with some vocabs and idea bank. I can go ahead and use the tools on the side over here to edit my diagram, and then I can share that with my students. Create an activity. So I can create three versions of the same activity for the same learning objective. So the support level, the expected level, and the extension level can also be included. It will include instructions, questions, and an answer key for each of those versions. So I'll copy this prompt and go to Canva, put in the prompt, put in the PDF of the worksheet, click on student resources, click on the year level, choose your topic, choose your purpose, and click on submit. So here students will be able to do three different set of tasks, and so this is based on the objectives that you had set. So click on this and click on generate. Worksheet now has been generated with three tiered set of activities that students can go through. So there are three activities, and it comes with a short answer key as well. The sixth one is Canva AI can help you give feedback to students' work. Simply copy the prompt, go to Canva AI, put in the student work, put in the rubric, and click on submit. AI tools such as Canva AI can help you give student feedback as well. So here are the two ways students can improve on. So these are the strengths, these are areas of improvement, and a quick feedback and next steps to improve the writing. So finally, here is a worksheet that was generated by Canva AI. So it has a bit of application questions, word problems, and solve equations as well. And it comes with answer key at the end as well. So today we looked at 7 ways teachers can use Canva AI, creating questions from PDFs, editing screenshots, reviewing student work, creating reading activities from videos, building math activities, lesson plans, presentations, and differentiating learning tasks. If you did learn something from this, do like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like these.